Hi, this is Raj from ML Sportscars. Here I've got today a 987 Gen 2 Boxster S. It's 2009, finished in basalt black metallic, which is a really lovely striking colour for the Boxster S, especially with the optional 19-inch sport design wheels, which are finished in metallic silver and are unmarked. The S model Boxsters have red calipers front and rear. The tyres are Pirelli P0s and they're all N rated, and they've all got a good chunk of tread left on them. Haven't been only replaced in the last couple of years. This car's been very well looked after. It's got all black leather. It's got a black hood as well, so I would call this a triple black Porsche. So black interior, black hood, black exterior. It's got the optional exclusive order red seat belts, and also a previous owner has had the handbrake, gear stick, which is obviously a 6-speed manual in this, so this is quite desirable being a manual gearbox car, and the steering wheel reupholstered in black with red stitching, which really sort of sets the car off and looks fantastic. This car has a huge number of sort of desirable options. So it has Sport Chrono Package Plus, which has that silver face stopwatch there. It has the PCM 3 touchscreen, sat nav, Bluetooth system. Obviously it has air conditioning, and then all the buttons at the bottom. So Sport, which livens up the throttle response. It's also got PASM, which is another desirable option on these cars, which it means that the car sits 10mm lower than a car without PASM. It also has comfort and sort of stiff mode, and also it's been spec'd with the PSE, so the Switchable Sports exhaust. So that's that button there, just there, and then the other two are the spoiler. The rear spoiler can go up and down, and the traction control can be turned on and off. Also has heated seats, so they're a 2-stage heating system. As I said, black leather seats, which are in fantastic condition, both passenger and driver's side. It also has the universal audio interface, so you can connect a music device to the car, iPods, your phone, USB I think is as well. It also has the optional BOSE system, so it has the subwoofer which is placed behind the seats here. That whole unit is the BOSE, and the wind deflector as well. So it has a wind deflector kit, and yeah, it's in really great condition. It's covered just over 50,000 miles, 50,269, and then looking at the service interval, so it's only just been serviced, and it was this is a Porsche and Porsche specialist service maintained car with all the receipts and the original stamp service book. But it's due in 2000, almost just under 20,000 miles, just under 2 years is the next service. So that's all great. It also has the auto dimming mirror, which not many of them have actually, and the rain sensor as well, which was another option you could get from the factory. Obviously it has electric mirrors, electric windows. The seats are a 2-way electric seat as well, and they're really comfortable. The roll bar is finished in a silver that matches the sort of trim here, so it has cup holders here. There we go. And you push that up, and then they can't move. Obviously a glove box as well, with a couple of storage places for CDs, because obviously the PCM has a CD player. But just look at it, I mean, everything is just factory fresh, as new, or better than new, because it's got the red stitching on those 3 key driver controls. As I said, it has the red belts, which really set it off as well, and they were from the factory. It's in just great condition. It has silver external vents on the sides of the car. I mean, it just looks fabulous in this light. This is I've just left the front boot open, so under here you've got plenty of storage. Down there you've got all the tools, so there's the warning triangle, and then behind that you've got the original Porsche tools, towing eye. You've got the tyre compressor, 12 volt tyre compressor there, so that will pump up the tyres with 12 volt supply, locking wheel nut, and you've got the gel, the tyre gel if you get stuck, with a puncher at the side of the road. And the battery is in this section here. It's a decent, relatively new battery as well. All the lights and everything are in great condition. This is the badge, the bumper and everything is in great condition. Very few stone chips, so no unsightly marks really on this car. LED tail lights, these were brought in for the Gen 2 Boxster, and they changed the shape of these. They also put LED daylight running lights at the front. So in here you've got another storage area, which is also quite practical. And then in here you've got where you would top up the oil and the coolant if it needed it, which it shouldn't do. There is the lovely badge. It has a spoiler that comes up through there at speeds around 70, and it goes back down at around 50. So yeah, great spec car, great condition, just 50,000 miles, 4 previous owners. So ideal for anyone looking for sort of the 3.4. These have I believe 311 or 312 horsepower, flat 6, in great condition, and in a desirable triple black spec. So if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.